Hey guys, welcome to the Texas Engineering World Health Arduino workshop. My name is Karan, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to power a button-controlled LED using Arduino. If you didn't know, an Arduino is a microcontroller or mini computer that can be programmed to do whatever you want it to. For this project, you'll need a button, 2 resistors. We are using 22 kilo ohm resistors. You'll need an LED and a couple wires, along with a breadboard and your Arduino. First, let's understand how a breadboard is wired. The vertical red and blue rails on either edge of the breadboard are connected from top to bottom. They're typically used as a power source for the rest of the breadboard, where the positive voltage is connected to the red side and ground is connected to the blue side. You will construct the majority of your circuit on the main part of the breadboard. In this part, each row is connected, but not across this gap. Now, let's start constructing the button-controlled LED. First, let's power our breadboard by connecting one red rail to the +5 voltage on the Arduino. Then, we will connect the blue rail to ground, or GND. Next, let's connect the button. The circuit of our button is connected diagonally, so connect one side to the red rail and the diagonal to digital pin 4. Then, connect a resistor from here to ground. This button wiring will make the voltage read by the Arduino high when the button is pressed down. Now we can connect our LED. Every LED works in only one direction. We can determine the positive side of the LED by looking at which pin is longer. It is important to connect an LED in the correct direction or it will fry. Connect the positive side of the LED, which is this one, to digital pin 7. Then, use a resistor to connect the other side to ground. We have now completed the hardware part of the Arduino circuit. Okay, now we will begin working on the software part of the Arduino system. First, open up your Arduino software, and we were going to initialize our variables. So we have the button connected to digital pin 4, and we have the LED connected to digital pin 7. Next, in the setup, and this will only run once in the setup, so we will set the mode of our pins. The button pin will be an input, and the LED pin will be an output. Then we need to start the serial at 9600. And that is it for the setup. Okay, now we're going to start the loop, and this will just run continuously as long as your Arduino is on. First, we're going to read the value of our button. Next, we want the LED to turn on if the button is pressed down. So we check if the button reads a high voltage. Then we will, if it is a high voltage, we will write to the LED to turn on. If not, then we will write to the LED to turn off. Now that we've finished the software portion of the Arduino, we can now connect the hardware to the computer. Now that we connected our Arduino, we need to make sure that it is connected to this computer. So we go to Tools, hover over Board, and make sure your correct version of Arduino is selected. Then hover over Port and make sure the Arduino you connected is selected. We already have the software and we can verify that it works by compiling. Then we can upload to the Arduino. Now that you've uploaded the Arduino software into the microcontroller, you can now press the button to turn on the LED. You have now successfully completed a button-controlled LED using Arduino. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot during this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next one. Hook 'em.